Hello students, how are you? Let's continue our lesson. Today we are going to write summative assessment for the third term, grade 8. Task 1, listening. Listen to Andrew and Rachel talking about their experience abroad. Find who has such kind of experience and write their names. There is a text about Andrew and Rachel. For example, has problems with language. Here's Rachel. Andrew, жайлы оқимыз. When I was in college, I spent a semester studying in London. I love the lifestyle in London. During my free time, I had a lot of fun playing soccer with my British friends. Of course, they call it football over there. And I really love the old buildings. I mean, they're really old. We don't have anything that old in the USA. So, that part was pretty amazing. Another thing was TV. The British have a different sense of humor, very dry. I really like it. Their shows are really funny. Мен колледжде оқып жүргенде, яғни Лондонда семестр оқуымды жалғастырдым. Сол жерде оқыдым. Маған Лондонның өмір тіршілігі жалпы ұнады. Бос уақытымда мен британдық достарыммен соккер ойнайтынмын дейді. Олар футболды соккер деп айтады. Маған ескі ғимараттар өте ұнады. Бұл текстен біз Эндрю туралы білдік, енді бізде Рейчел туралы текст бар. Осы екі текстті жақсылап оқып аударып, болған соң біз алты сөйлемді қайсысы айтқанын табуымыз керек. For example, felt homesick, the first. Үйін сағынған, ол бізде Rachel. I was homesick деп тұр міне. Next. Enjoyed the old buildings. Ескі ғимараттарды жақсы көрген, ол бізде Andrew болатын. Like TV shows. It's also Andrew. Shared tapas with friends. It is Rachel. Didn't like the rainy weather. He is Andrew. Next, found difficult to adjust to late dinner. It is Rachel. Task 2, reading. Read the text. 3 sentences are missing in the text. This November, 100 million butterflies will drop from the sky over Mexico like autumn leaves, but for how long? Genetically modified maize could mean extinction for this beautiful butterfly, Rafael Ruiz reports. In November, millions of monarchs fall like bright golden rain on the forest in the mountains of central Mexico. In the silence of these mountains, you can hear strange flapping of wings as the monarchs arrive at their destinations. It is text B. In the mountains, which reach a height of 3,000 meters, the butterflies are safe. Демек, бұл жерге бізде B жауабы дұрыс болады. Next. Before reaching their journey's end, they have faced strong winds, rain, and snowstorms, and they don't all manage to reach their destination. When the winters are really bad, perhaps 30% of them will not survive. Their long journey to Mexico is thought to be one of the most amazing events in the whole of the American continent. When they get there, will stay until the beginning of April, when the internal calendar tells them what time that it is time to get back. It is text D. The long journey begins with all its dangers begins again. Next. Third is paragraph A. In the US, millions of farms grow genetically modified maize, which is poison for the butterfly. Laboratory experiments have shown that half of the butterflies which feed on the leaves of genetically modified maize die within 48 hours. Not all experts agree that this variety of maize is responsible for the threat to the monarch. Yani bize üçüncüsünde A cevabı 8 geldi. Next. Find words in the text which have similar meaning to these definitions. The fourth. For example, an organism containing genetic material that has been artificially altered is genetically modified. Next, when a particular kind of animal no longer exists, it is extinction. The noise wings make as they move is flapping. What a scientist does in order to find something else, it is experiment on laboratory. Next, writing class tips деп топиктердің біреуін таңдап эссе жазу керек. Спикингде карточкаларды таңдап сұраққа жауап жазу керек. So we have finished